Welcome back. Now, Amazon SES can also integrate with WordPress through the cloud-based systems. And as you can see here, there is an entire page of integrations through Email Octopus. And you'll notice that Email Octopus has their own WordPress plugin that they created and maintain. And although there are no connections direct to WordPress through Zapier, the company does have Zapier applications, as well as other popular integrations such as Ninja Form and Opt-in Ninja. To install the Email Octopus plugin directly, all you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your plugins area, you'll need to type in Email Octopus, and then just click the Install Now button. You'll then need to activate the plugin. In order to access the plugin, what you'll need to do is to go to the Appearance section, you'll need to go to the Widgets. Once you get access to the widgets, you'll look for your widget area, and all you'll need to do is to grab the Email Octopus plugin and drag it over into the widget area. And then what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to create a list ID and then bring people to subscribe to your list through the Email Octopus plugin. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.